What's up, guys? We back with another video. And last video, shortest video ever, cause we got donkeyed on, like pooed on, like I mean sharded on, bro. Shut up. Imagine getting carried. Imagine getting carried in rank.
So.
That's what I thought, little boy. I mean, Wait, bro, what is Brody doing? 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 Why you eating it? Bro! But I mean, I was gonna be your dude. Bro! I'm gonna smack. I mean,
I made one video. I can't find one single sword.
I mean, I was gonna be your duo, but you keep hanging it up, so. You know what I'm saying, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but you just want to be like a bot and not listen to me.
I'm gonna help on low life.
Why?
I can't play Fortnite with Valhalla.
Womp.
Oh, so mom's playing Brookhaven. Been spying her.
Bro, no, don't play Brookhaven with that kid, bro.
Nah, bro. TP, I'm not dating.
Bro, don't do online dating is crazy.
Hey, where did the other bodyguard go? A bodyguard? Oh yeah, I just had some monkey too.
Yo, bro, shut.
Where you at? Let me teleport to his house. Where you at, bud?
Yeah. Patrick Mahomes, we're cooked. We're already cooked. He has Patrick Mahomes. He has Patrick Kermit the Frog Holmes, bro.
Now there's a whole freaking duck right here.
Good for you.
And it's a freaking person.
Good for you. He is Patrick my freaking Holmes, bro. Like, we're cooked just off that. All he's gonna throw is dots. Not one pick. Unless he does stupid. Be stupid. Throws it up to, Banks or freaking Travis Hunter. Or maybe even DJ. I don't know.
Yo, Cam.
What?
Seems like we're just starting training camp.
Why?
We are in October.
So I can explain to him what I'm doing.
No. Okay, let's get it, bro.
And off we go on.
I'm like,
Nice return sets him up pretty.
He's not answering like a little bot.
Let's play Brookhaven.
Here come the Saints for their opening drive. They'll be led out by the
Everyone
MVP
won.
of the National Football
This
League
kid has-
2018, the former Texas Tech Red Raider, Patrick.
Nobody cares. Like, stop glazing him. Patrick Mahomes. What are you doing? You got banned? That is crazy.
Yeah, I got banned from his house.
Whoa. I thought you meant from Roblox. Why did he leave?
He was in here.
He joined and then left.
First carry for the Oklahoma
The other
State.
two.
And again, the run defense
He's a bot.
this time. He maybe gets back to
Why is he a bot, chat?
no more.
Why is he? I'm gonna keep spamming him.
On third and long, it's Mahomes.
Play good D, man!
Isaiah Hodges. And he is
Like, what is that D?
down as they're able to get the third down conversion.
Stop ringing me.
Samar, why you in my chat?
I'm not even in your chat.
No,
yet?
I said, why were you? You heard Gabe Severs. Gabe Severs roasting you, no cap.
No, you're not bad. Stop it. Game Saver was roasting me?
Yes, he was roasting you. He said you're a butthole.
See, on God, across the count.
On God, no credit count. Even Jalon heard it. No, didn't you hear that Game Saver said Samad was butthole?
And he said you like something.
Yo, he did not say that, but
Simon, you know that little gorilla face with the police officer's suit?
a police officer suit.
On my house, so I have bodyguards, and I got this pet bird.
Bye.
And we were on a trail, and my girlfriend saw in the chat, bro, she was trying to kill the,
Dang it, you gotta drop his ball.
come in. You know what, if you're gonna come to my house, be a regular person. Alright, I got you.
He said he was gonna be a monkey.
Yeah, you think a top D1 monkey.
Yeah.
Yo, everybody hide.
Why? Why? It's Yo! What? The first down is crazy. What, bro? I mean, Get that man a map. Get that man a map. Get that man a map. Get that man a map.
Follow him back.
He left?
Yeah.
Why do you want me to?
Because I got too much fun.
Womp, womp, you little kid. I mean, Mom. I'm like, let's get it, bro. There's a lot of goofies in the check. I'm like, get him. Yeah, tackle. I'm gonna crash out. There's a lot of goofies in the check, like J-Lon. Cause he's trying to act like a monkey, but he's not one. He's not one. Okay, that doesn't mean you're a monkey.
I am. I got a monkey face.
Good for you, bro. Good for you. You have a monkey face.
Bet.
Wait, you literally just said you were a monkey. Tackle him! Not in a touchdown, please. Like, it's 4 for 4. Shut up. Like, stop glazing him. He's already got enough glaze from the freaking announcers. Tackle him! Y'all actually suck. What is my D-line? Like, we can't stuff him?
This is my last piece.
Be quiet, bro. Like, stop saying, this is my last resort. I'm gonna pull up for my team. Quick, did he hit it? What's gonna matter? Travis. Travis Turtle. Dang, he got boomsticked. This is my last resort. Christian Nainin. This kid at 16. He's racist, yo. So I was racist, and I'm getting all this on freaking stream. What? Wait. It's a big ball! I'm leaving. This might be actually the start of this episode. And this is Will. This is Will. This is.
And this Charles definitely not what they were wanting to see. Remember, he threw 3 interceptions
Shush.
last week, and now he gives the ball away again
Hey, I
here
should
in the
pull
very
up in
first
his
quarter.
house.
And you have to think that this is drilled into him all week,
Everybody
too,
here.
by his teammates, by his coaching
Yo,
staff.
why? Yo, why?
All week long, we've got to protect the football. And
This is
probably
my
cross that
last
fine line with
Bro, shut
giving
up.
advice and saying it too much.
Come on, open
And it
up.
turned out
Dundee!
They're
If
unable
it's
to
PR, I'm literally leaving.
flag comes in. And the contact may have come
Oh my, that's not a pass interference, bro. That's not pass interference. Let her cry.
and what the officials are looking for in these situations,
This is my
whether you're
last
playing the man,
resort.
Shut up, please.
the man, you get a lot
No! Tackle him! I'm leaving. This is oh my.
And let's go ball, you know?
Shut up. Like just shut up. Shut up, bro. Like you're not emo. You're not emo.
extra point.
Do you want to turn emo? Like, bro. Shut up. What's your favorite emo line?
Go as he sends this one away.
That's not even how you say it.
The fair catch will move this
It's not even how you say it.
5-yard line.
This is my last resort.
Shut up, bro.
Their next drive.
Like,
And they're in it early.
that's not even how you say it either.
They threw the interception. That led to a touchdown. So decent
That's not even how you say it.
it is, but I think you hit the key words.
He caught it one-handed. He caught it one-handed. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Shortest episode ever. Shortest episode ever. Shortest episode ever. Shortest episode ever. Shortest episode.
He jumped back. He jumped back. This is my last resort.
Shut up. Let's go. Come on. Lock in. Good D.
Let's go,
Good D only. Dang it.
Wait.
Bro, you're weird. Let's go. No, we gotta take.
Yeah, button up.
Let's go. Only good D. Dang it. Let's go. Stop him. Score. Fudge. Where's the D at?
So this one a victory here for New Orleans. We talk so much about the turnover battle.
I'm actually. He throws like 400 a game, but they cannot do anything with it. Like catch the ball and hang on to it and throw good balls. Like please, bro. Like please, man. Like just catch the ball. Just throw it better, bro. Shush and shorter, bro. Yeah, glow, Brody, the Brody. Yeah, bro.
My last resort.
I'm gonna smack you in your face if you don't shut up.
This is my last resort.
I'm trading for a cornerback.
This is my last resort. Ooh, boo. Okay.
Break it down, man. Womp womp.
Alright, but now you should make this bad, bro.
Why?
She want move her faster about the race.
Yo, calling a girl fat is crazy.
This is my last resort.
Alright, now you're actually racist, bro.
You got it, boy. Yeah, like you never said racist, bro. Your career.
I haven't.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't.
You called me Emily.
No, I didn't. What are you talking about? I didn't call you anything. Alright.
This is my last resort.
Shut up. Like, please just shut up. Like, stop saying, this is my last resort.
Cause this is my last resort.
Chat.
Yeah, shut up.
Chat. Should I beat
This is my last resort.
should I beat the brakes off of him, chat?
Hey, chat. Hit me with the. Did he hit him with the screen? Quick. Oh my god, you like it's right. This is my last resort.
Shut up! Like something like just shut up.
My
Oh my
I like
shit.
my booty hairs.
Bro, what?
This is my last resort.
Shut up, please. Like, you're giving me a headache.
Well, this is my last resort.
That I'm not being ranked to at all. Like, never.
Of talking.
I don't care who you're talking to. I don't care. I really don't. I'm not being ranked to at all. Ever again.
Hope you know. I was saying that in the chat too.
Wait, what chat?
Simone chat. Like I private chatted him and then I kept on saying, this is my last.
Shut up, bro. I'm gonna smack you.
Can't
I know.
run the world.
What?
Hey, whoever can find me in Brookhaven, I give y'all $1.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, bro. I step on her. Let's go. Yeah, bro.
What?
Nothing.
What did he say?
What did he say?
No, since he said that, this is my. Can I finish it?
If you do, I'm gonna smack you across your face, and I'm not. And it's not.
This is my last resort. Yeah, gonna rob her house again. Let's go.
Robbing somebody's house is crazy.
Let's go. Give me that money.
Yo.
Let's go. Let's go watch somebody else.
Yo, what?
Let's go. Oh yeah, I see a house right there. Let's go.
Why are you robbing people? That's not good.
Let's go. Break in.
Bro,
Oh, he right there.
why are you breaking into people's houses?
Oh, yo, bro. I am a monkey.
Shut up. Like, we don't care if you're a monkey.
I am a monkey.
Good for you, bro.
I am a monkey.
Shut up, please. I'm
Yo, this man said I love boys.
Yo, is that you?
No.
Yes, it
In the
is.
chat, it said I love boys.
Hey, that's definitely you.
Yeah, I just got banned.
Yes.
That's you, man.
Let's go.
No, since you said that, this is my last resort. Break in, break in, break in. Go, 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 go.
Joe
Officer
Tipman.
down, officer down. Mom, I gotta rob him.
Let's go, Officer Tipman. Let's go, Tipman. Let's go.
Yo, what did he say?
His name is Officer Tipman.
Nah, I call him.
I mean Joe Tipman. Why did I say officer?
No, his name is Officer Reader.
Okay.
Stop it. Oh, wait, I'm
Now you're just D1 glazing at this point. Like, stop glazing. Like, all you do is glaze. Like, if you glaze, then you might as well glaze. Like, the glaziest glaze is glaze.
my name be Reader.
Shut up. Nobody cares if your name's Wiener.
Well, I do.
No,
Reed.
stop. Stop saying Wiener. Like, we don't care if your name is Wiener. Like, Wiener, chicken.
Reader on the mind. Reader on the mind. Reader. Oh, they over there laying down in bed.
Yo,
Let me go ahead and rob them. See what's going on.
he's a pretender.
Oh, yeah, that
Boy,
boy watched the
we're 0-5. Oh, we're gonna get cooked. Like, we're not winning a single game this season.
This is my last season. This is my last resort.
Chat, would I be wrong if I slap him across his face if he doesn't shut up? Would I be wrong? Would I be wrong, chat? I'm just asking.
No.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh my god. No.
2 superstars.
Oh my god. Let me go boss somebody else.
Bro, stop robbing people.
Oh, Ducky got a house.
Shut up. Stop robbing people.
Pull out my bomb.
Just pull out your what?
The girl. You tweaking.
You don't even... Wait, you pull out your what?
Yo, I got woman permission.
No, pull out your what?
Thank you.
No, you said you're gonna pull out your what?
Pull out my wiener.
Bro, Now you're actually weird. Like, I cannot play with you anymore. Like, you're actually weird.
What? That's my name.
Your name is not Wiener!
Okay. This is my...
I'm about to crash out, bro. Like, stop! Stop saying, this is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Like, bro, like, shut up.
Say it.
No.
Why you stop saying it?
Shut up. Like, I don't care. Stop saying this is my last resort. Bro, they ain't, no, they ain't.
This is my last...
I'm gonna crash out.
Yo, what is the avatar? Oh, know something, Kim?
No, shut up, please. I'm closing my ears.
This is my last resort.
Shut up. Like, bro.
Get us done. Oh, I just bumped them at their ankles. Holy smokes.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
No, I'm not gonna get banned.
Yeah, bro. I do the booty. There, bro. There, bro. Yeah, bro. The Brody, the Brody. Yeah, bro. There, bro. Brody, the Brody, the Brody. There, bro. There, bro. Brody, the Brody, the Brody.
Bro, before I say...
Whop! So how about you shut up, kid, before I smack your...
You kind of sound like you're saying, this is my last resort. Why you got quiet, chat? Yeah, I'm about to become emo.
Please become emo.
Or become emo? I got you. Tonight's the night that I'm home. And I'll put my booty up your booty hole.
Let
But
me...
it's not going to be the first time. Oh yeah, water. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break in. Place the bed down. Pause. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. 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 Oh.
I love that.
My name is Officer Wiener.
Stop saying Officer Wiener! We're 49ers. San Francisco.
Officer Wiener on the one.
60. 60 is the highest I've seen. So West Coast spread. 82. Ooh.
This is my last resort.
Chat, would I be dead wrong if I smacked him across his freaking face? Would I be dead wrong?
Yes.
I don't think I would.
Because I'm black and you're not black.
Oh my.
Oh, this is my last robbery. This will be my last resort.
Shut up.
Let's go.
Like, please, bro, please be quiet.
I can't.
Yes, you can. All you gotta do is stop saying, this is my last resort. Suffocation. Like, that's all you gotta say. That's not even how you say it, bro. Like, you're about to make me come emo, bro.
Become emo? I got you. Officer Wiener, because...
Shut up.
Tonight's the night that I fall for you. Officer Wiener in the seat. Let's go. Yes, go. Yeah, this man got the outro.
Alright, chat, that'll be it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. See we see. Peace.